Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about a very less commonly known disease, and it is called as trigeminal neuralgia. We are here with Dr. Vikram Chauhan, who will explain us that what is trigeminal neuralgia and how it is affecting people's life. So sir, please kindly provide us with the information.
Yes, it is really affecting people's life very badly. Somebody who is suffering from trigeminal neuralgia, he knows how much pain he is going through. It is basically neuralgia. Neuralgia means pain because of the nerves. That is called neuralgia. And trigeminal is the name of the nerve. It is basically fifth cranial nerve, and it is supplying this area of the face, and the pain is usually in this area, in the orbital area, and above eyes, above the forehead, near the forehead, and this mandibular area. So it is excruciating pain. The patient is really in trouble, and he is looking for various treatments. And when he goes to doctors, they give him sedatives, they give him painkillers, and sometimes even recommend surgery for this disease. And it becomes very difficult for the patient to go for surgery and take these painkillers for many years. And I have seen many patients where we used simple Ayurvedic medicines, and there were very good results, and they were relieved of the pain permanently. And this happened, this trigeminal neuralgia happens because of some Ayurvedic reasons are there behind it. There is Vata imbalance, we call. Vata is Vayu. Whenever there is Vata imbalance, there is neuralgias, they can happen anywhere in any nerve. But if there is some weak nerve, especially in trigeminal neuralgia, the fifth nerve becomes weaker, and then the Vata affects that fifth nerve.
Sir, are there any specific factors which are responsible for this Vata imbalance?
Yes, Vata imbalance in Ayurveda, it is mentioned with wrong dietary habits, lifestyle. Whenever you are not sleeping early, when you are traveling too much, not sleeping in time, not regular in your lifestyle, irregular lifestyle and indisciplined life, that is major cause. When you are not sleeping, especially sleep is very important. It is mentioned in Ayurveda that whenever the sun goes down, you should sleep. But people nowadays, they are sleeping after midnight, after 1 o'clock, they are still dancing, sometimes going to discos and not sleeping. So, not eating healthy food. In Ayurveda, it is mentioned always eat warm food with some ghee in it. But now we see fast food is eaten, that is also not fresh, and also biscuits and all those noodles which are packed. So, those are the causes which cause Vata formation in our digestive system, Ama and Vata. So Vata is responsible mainly for this problem.
And what are the other symptoms patient usually complain of, that yes, we are having this or that?
Usually the patient, they go to doctor with the pain only, but the doctor never relates it with the digestive symptoms also. Usually the patients who are having trigeminal neuralgia, they sometimes also have Vata imbalances, lack of sleep, restlessness, anxiety, palpitations, and also gas in the digestive system. They are also sometimes the symptom because of the Vata. But it is not mandatory or compulsory that they will have, all the trigeminal neuralgia patients will have these symptoms, but 50% of the patient, they have these associated, or sometimes tingling and numbness in the other parts of the body.
Is there any specific other condition which is generally associated with trigeminal neuralgia, like diabetes or hypertension?
No, there are no other. Sometimes it can happen to anybody. Young patients are also there. It is not related with diabetes or blood pressure or any other condition. Many patients, they are healthy, they are normal, but they are having only trigeminal neuralgia as a presentation of Vata symptom. So it can be independent of any disease.
So is it possible with Ayurveda that trigeminal neuralgia can be cured?
We believe in balancing the doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So whenever there is Vata imbalance, diseases like trigeminal neuralgia, diseases like other neuralgias or the body pains, they will appear. So when we restore the balance of the vata, this disease disappears and it doesn't come back. So it is very important we treat the root cause, we don't treat the symptoms. So whenever we restore the balance, so it is cured.
So basically, what Ayurvedic preparations or formulations or herbs are being prescribed by you to the patients for treating this trigeminal neuralgia?
For vata, there are wonderful herbs in Ayurveda. Ashwagandha is one of them. Ashwagandha, Brahmi, and we also use some pain relieving herbs like turmeric, curcumin I am recommending. But Brahmi and Ashwagandha, they give miraculous results. To balance the vata, we always recommend ghee and oils. So ghee every time we should eat when we eat food, and oil is oil like almond oil, 1 spoon every day, two teaspoonfuls 2 times a day, something like that, whatever dose is comfortable for you. So you can take 1 to 2 teaspoonfuls of almond oil every day, and also massage of your whole body once in a week is good enough to keep the vata in control. There are so many panchakarma procedures also done, like Shirodhara and Abhyangam and Basti also can be given, but that is not needed in most of the cases. They subside when we give vata balancing herbs like Ashwagandha, Brahmi and all these herbs.
Okay, so is there any specific herb which can be consumed on regular basis to avoid this trigeminal neuralgia or things like means other neuralgia also?
In Ayurveda, there is no need to consume anything regularly. It is just to maintain your lifestyle regularly. Ayurveda believes in balancing of the dosha and then maintaining that lifestyle which balances that. But there are herbs like Brahmi. Brahmi can be consumed forever. There is no problem. We are already consuming turmeric in our kitchen. So turmeric is good for the pains, body inflammations. So it is not required to take it regularly for neuralgia, but it can be taken for 6 months. Gugul is there, it can be taken for 1 or 2 months or 3 months to relieve the pain. But Brahmi or Shankh Pushpi is the herb which can be taken for life, especially Brahmi. So, but it is not required because the trigeminal neuralgia goes away within few months.
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for providing
Thank
this
you.
wonderful information to us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.